がちです。
You can be in a paradise and you are not enjoying it because you still try to do everything by yourself.
こういう楽天に行ってもですね、全然楽しめない、全部自分一人でしようとしているから。
And after speaking to some Japanese friends, I know that in Japan there's this culture of I have to get everything under control.
日本っていうのは本当に全てをコントロールしないといけないっていうそういう文化、やりすぎの文化がありますよね。
And things have to work like this.
そして一瞬にして全てがいいようにいかないといけないと思っている。
But it's super important to get help. It's super important to get a team.
でも本当にチームを作って助けを求めることは大切です。
And even when you start a business, you don't have that much money, you can still get people to help you.
ビジネスを始めるときお金がなくても、助ける人はたくさんいます。
For example, when I built my first course, I couldn't pay my movie crew. I didn't have enough money.
私は初めてのコースを作るときも借金だらけでした。
So we gambled.
なのでギャンブルをしました。
I gave them percentage of my profits.
自分の収益の何%を、寄付しました。
I said, if we don't make anything, it was a risk. If we make a lot of money, I'm happy for you.
何も儲からなければそれはリスク。それをしかし、儲かればそれはハッピーだねみたいな。
And this is just one example, but you could always, if you think outside the box, you can always find people to help you without spending huge amounts of money.
たくさんのお金を使わなくても助けてくれる人はきっといます。
You can do value exchange. You can help somebody with something and they will help you with something back.
価値の交換ですけど何かを助けてあげる、その代わりに何かをする。
Maybe you can teach somebody something and they can build a website for you.
何か教える代わりにウェブサイトを作ってくれるとか。
So there's always a way, but people impose limitations on themselves and they feel like, now I need money to do it. So they don't get things done and they do everything by themselves.
必ずやり方はあるのに、いやこれは自分一人でしないといけない、お金がないということで自分を制御してしまいます。
Another important thing is that you shouldn't be trying to do every single thing.
また、すべてのことを全部しないといけないわけでもない。
So when you look at your to-do list, right, there's often this illusion that you have to do everything. Everything is important.
例えばチェックリストがあるとすれば、これをすべてやらないといけないっていう妄想があります。
But it couldn't be further from the truth. Very few things are really important.
本当に大切なことは限られています。
There's this rule called the Pareto principle, the 80-20 rule. How many of you know this rule?
8割2割のルールっていうのをご存知の方、何人ぐらいいますでしょうか？
Oh, wow. Cool. Nice. So the 80-20 rule, for those of you who don't know, says that 80% of your results come from 20% of your actions.
このルールはですね、8割の結果は2割の行動によって、もたらされる。
So essentially, very few things matter in life, right? There are very few vital things that you have to do in your business.
本当に肝心なものはですね、少ないです。
And I feel like at the beginning, when you get started, it's super important to identify this one or two tasks that can change everything for you.
なのでビジネスを始めるとき、一つ二つの作業を、これが本当に肝心だっていうことを見つけることは大切です。
And that's what you do the first thing in the morning. You then don't waste your time. You don't check your email or your phone.
なので朝起きた瞬間メールとかチェックしたりするのではなくて、
You know that one or two important tasks. You wake up, bam, you get into it.
一つの二つの大切な仕事がある、それに取り掛かる。
You are proactive, not reactive about your time.
積極的